Okay, so when you come to Paris, you're going to need to get a metro ticket. But before you do, you're going to need, well, in the process of buying your first one, you're going to need a Navigo card. So when you buy your first ticket, that will come with the Navigo card. The problem is not all machines will give you what you need. So if you just go to buy a ticket, if you go to the machine on the right, you won't be able to get your Navigo card. You'll need to go to the one on the left. But lots of machines aren't working. So as you will see, this one here says "Cet appareil est momentanément indisponible." Donc, therefore, you can't use it. But you actually need that machine to buy your first card. If you're coming out of the airport, probably you'll be able to find a machine that does have will let you buy the card, and that'll be €2 when you buy that first card, and then you buy your travel card on top of that. It's just all on the same card. And I would recommend that you always buy a card with a pass for the whole day, because you never know when a machine isn't going to be working. So you can't buy your card, or you're stuck somewhere and not able to use the machine to buy it. So I can't show you how to use this machine to get your first card to get your pass. But that's Paris, so I would always recommend buy a pass, because you never know when the machine's not going to work. So that's my advice for the day. Okay, until next time.